Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today's topic is an adjective. Adjective is the third form of parts of speech. Let's start with this. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word. It is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Basically, it adds meaning to the noun or a pronoun. Means it tells about the noun, more about the noun or more about the pronoun. Let's see its examples. Delhi is a big city. Now, which word is adjective over here? Big. Very nice, because big is adding meaning to noun. Delhi is noun and big is adjective. And this is adding meaning to Delhi, telling more about Delhi, that Delhi is a big city. The girl is beautiful. First, let's see what is noun on this. The noun is the girl. And the girl is beautiful. This is noun. And what is telling more about a noun? This word. Beautiful is explaining more about the girl. So, this is an adjective. This is an adjective. Third one, I have 4 apples. How many apples do I have? 4. This is an adjective of number. Means I am telling how many apples do I have. Now let's see its kinds of adjective. We have 7 kinds of adjective. First one, adjective of quality. Second one, adjective of quantity. Third one, adjective of numbers. Demonstrative adjective. Interrogative adjective. Exclamatory adjective. And the last one is possessive adjective. Very first type of adjective is the adjective of quality. It is also known as descriptive adjective. Now, what does it mean? Let's see. It describes the kind, quality, or characteristics of a person, place, animal, or thing. Means it tells about the noun. For example, he is an intelligent boy. Now, how is he? He is an intelligent boy. Intelligent is his quality. She is a beautiful girl. How does she look? She is very beautiful. Beautiful is an adjective. The clever old black crow. Now, how is the crow is? The crow is a clever. So, it's also telling the quality of these nouns. Now, second type of adjective is an adjective of quantity. What does it indicate? It indicates how much the thing is meant. For example, give me some water. Means I cannot count it. Give me some water. Much cement is needed in this building. So, what's an adjective of quantity? Is much. For example, like little, enough, all, half, sufficient. These types of words come under adjective of quantity. Just note one thing in adjective of quantity, the things are not definite in the ratio. Means we cannot count them. This only just give an idea of how much the thing is. Third type of adjective is adjective of number. It indicates how many persons or things are meant to be. It tells us the noun in numbers, means we can count. Like 2 birds are sitting. Give me 3 breads. This 2 and this 3 is an adjective of number. Fourth type of adjective is demonstrative adjective. It indicates which person or thing is meant. Like, bring that chair. This is my house. This, that, this, those, these, like those, these come under demonstrative adjectives. Now, fifth one is interrogative adjective. What are interrogative adjectives? These are used with nouns, like to ask questions. When we need to ask some question from you, then we use interrogative adjective. For example, whose son is he? Which book shall you buy? And what poem do you like best? They always end with a question mark. Next and very sixth type of adjective is the exclamatory adjective. What does it expresses? It expresses a certain feeling like what a story, what a beauty, and it always ends with an exclamation mark. This is an exclamation mark like hooray, we won the match. In it, I'm expressing my feeling of happiness. Oh, he's no more. Feeling of sadness, grief. Next, seventh and last type of adjective is the possessive adjective. It indicates possession, that like thing is mine. Possessive adjective. In this words come like my, our, his, her, its, theirs. And please give me my book. Means it is my book, so please give it to me. It is my book. It is indicating here possession of the book. So this was all about the adjectives. If you find my topic educative and useful to you, do comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.